The sun is bright as the breeze settles in from the north. Spring is in full bloom as shadows spring to life in his kitchen and all throughout the house. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, a time for much celebration in the eyes of children everywhere. A time for an afternoon feast. Pickles. But alas, the hungry boy cannot eat pickles, all due to a tragic childhood accident. Food poisoning. No! Nothing. In these desperate times, the hungry boy is forced to take drastic measures. Among other things, he has found a Cheerio, a paper clip, an eraser, and $1.39 in loose change. This will not do.
Our hungry friend has few options left.
1. He can eat the pickles in the refrigerator. 2. He can run to the local food mart and, having no money, rob the place blind with a ski mask and some spray-painted water guns. 3. He can venture to the cellar where his parents keep a reserve of private goods. It only recently dawns on the hungry boy that his parents are connoisseurs of condiments and junk food. This ironic turn of events frightens him greatly. Our hungry friend finds himself locked in the basement. As he sits there, he finds comfort in the fact that someone will find him stuck down there soon. Little does he know that his parents are away on sudden business trips at the same time. The hungry youth hasn't eaten anything in the past 4 days. Our hungry comrade has tried to eat the pickles, but cannot bring himself to do it. But 4 days is a long time. To his surprise, he likes it. He eats half the room out of pickles, and suddenly, his stomach is satisfied. The hungry boy is no longer hungry. It only took another 3 hours for the food poisoning to set back in. After his parents found him, they decided it was in their best interest to drive him to the ER room, as he had food poisoning, scurvy, and a mild case of athlete's foot.